how to remove the login password on your PC. And okay guys, okay, for my example, so I log in my account. So do you want to remove this login password? Okay, just follow me or follow my instruction on how to remove this. You'll have to do first is go to lower left side on your screen on start menu. Okay, click this and go to settings. Here in settings, go to account. In account, okay, go to sign in option. Here in sign in option and manage how you sign into your device, you can see here the password. Okay, you can go to this and here you can see the change button. Okay, to remove your password, you'll have to do is click the change button and enter your password here. After you enter your password, click next button. And after that, enter on password hint. Okay, you'll have to do is you can enter any one or any number you want. So for my example, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I try to enter the 65 number or 65 password hint. So after that, click next button. Okay, click next finish button. Okay, that's it. Your account doesn't have a password. You must add a password before you can use the other sign-in option. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully removed the login password on your PC or computer.